Whoa, 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 sweetie pie. That's your step to get in the pool, goofball. Oh, no. What are you going to do now? It's going to be awful heavy. Are you going to be a snail? That'd be a good show.
Jumping down the puddles.
Louisa girl, what's your favorite song?
Sucker.
Kid?
Huh?
Look it?
Wait.
Which is your favorite song?
Favorite song.
Oh.
What's it, Bob? It's Kitty.
What's happened to the grass? You have to do TT?
No,
Huh?
no,
Louisa? Do you have to do TT?
no, thanks. I'm on the screen.
Alright, sweetie pie, but don't do TT in there, okay?
I don't like it.
No thanks.
I totally got the beach. I'm going to get the ball.
Go ahead.
I want to go to steps.
Good. Should have missed the step, but that's okay. Oh, it's like a horsey. Go on then, grab your ball and get back in. You monkey, don't. Go on.
You can help.
I could help, but I want to watch you do it.
I want to go back to the sand pool.
You're in a pickle. So are you gonna get the ball? Or are you gonna go in the pool? Why don't you grab the ball and then jump back in the pool with the ball? Go quick!
You can do it.
I know I can. Go on, hurry.
I want to go jump the ball. Hop, hop.
No, that's not a game we're gonna play. I just spent freaking 2 hours blowing that thing up. Either in or out.
Out. In.
Okay, go on then. You can go out and grab your ball and get back in, you know.
You can do it.
Sweetie pie, I know I can. Quick, go and grab it.
No. I'm too big. You can get it.
What do you mean you're too big?
I want to go back.
Okay, off you go.
Oh.
Come on, sweetie pie, you can do it. You got yourself situated like that. Do you have to do TTs?
No, you can do it. Please, I want to go and get it.
In you go. In you pop then. That's it. And well done. Hooray!
Yuki.
Good marching.
Let's go. Bum.
Well, you forgot to get it. All right. See you later, folks.